Hello, I'm Renee Murphy, and this is your Monday Minute. We will be telling you more information about our non-traditional instructional plan coming up here towards the end of the week. That is set to begin on April 7th. Right now, we're scheduled to resume our classes in our school buildings coming up on April 20th. We'll keep you posted. We'll continue to communicate with you throughout this whole process. We do want to remind you that supplemental material is still available for you to use right now with your students. It's available on our website. And if you have any questions about accessing your child's digital backpack, we have all that information on our website as well. We're continuing with our feeding program. Our feeding sites are still available for students. We have more than 60 sites available all around our communities. To see a full list, you can go to our website. That information is online for you as well. And we thank you for your support during this time. We know this is a difficult time for you, but thank you for being there for us. Together, we know we can get through this. That's your Monday Minute. Have a great week.